the Rosemary roasted sweet potato wedges, you will need about 1.5 kilos of sweet potatoes. In a separate bowl, you mix together some olive oil, some crushed garlic, and some fresh or dried rosemary with some salt and pepper. You pour the drizzle over the sweet potatoes and place them onto a baking tray. You place the baking tray on the top shelf of an oven for 30 to 45 minutes at 150 degrees or gas mark 2. Once the potatoes are nice and crispy and cooked, using a spatula or a palette knife, gently scoop your potatoes out of the tray and then delicately place them onto your presentation dish. And that is your dish ready to serve.